What?
It is 7 litres.
How did you get 7?
That's how it is.
No, that's just counting.
Counted. No, I went like this.
But it's not a measurement though, that's not accurate measurement.
Oh, did it?
I'm recording this message to give it to your mummy. What should we say to her? I miss you, mummy. Come home. Yeah, give it a big kiss, go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Say bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye. Bye.
Bye! 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 Bye!